Hello friends and welcome to my channel Teen Beauty. So today's video I'm showing you what I purchased from MyGlam part 3. If you haven't seen the first and second part of this video, click description once. So the first thing I got in this box was this thank you card. Then I found 2 sample pack. Then finally I saw Glow's brightening toner. Wow, such a beautiful packaging it is. It's worth 995 rupees for 50 milliliters. Then I got one nail polish worth 195 rupees. Should I make video on it? Ha ha ha. Okay, I'm making. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.